Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge.
Topic is consonants. There are total 21 consonants in alphabets. Total alphabets are 26 if we remove 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. They left 21 and these are consonants. Circle consonants in given alphabets. In first line the consonant is V and W. In second V, T. In third line C, J. Fourth line D, L. These are consonants.
Write first beginning consonants. First picture is mango, consonant M. Second is net, consonant N, net. Banana, consonant B for banana, consonant F for frog. Next, consonant D for dog, consonant B for ball, consonant D for duck, consonant C for cap. Write the beginning consonant letters. V for violin, J for joker, T for train, L for lollipop. B for bee, F for 50, W for wig, D for drill machine. J for jacket, H for helicopter, S for scissors, F for fish.
All these pictures start with consonants.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.